and today we will speak about fundamentals. As an ADHD person, I actually hate the concept of practicing my fundamentals, and this is something that had impacted my art because, of course, you need all of this in order to get better at drawing and also work your hand in order to draw what you wish. It's very, very important. So, because we all here have ADHD, and fundamentals are something that are initially thinking about it quite boring, we will speak about making it fun. As you can see here, I recommend you to try to draw lines, a lot of lines. This will help your hand be steady. Please note that this video is a little bit speed up, so just put a pause and make it in your own rhythm. But for example, I recommend that this could be also a draw along. Maybe next time, if you want, I can make a longer one. But it's very, very important to start practicing your lines. It sounds boring, but you can make landscapes, you can make backgrounds to your drawings with lines, and you can practice it for fun. Next thing you need to practice is your circles and also this type of ellipses. Yes, when you think about it, it can be quite boring, but look, you can try to make the insides, to try to see them as spheres, and if you don't do this type of lines, you can also draw them some eyes and some hands and something like that to make it more interactive for you. When it comes to ellipses, for example, I love to draw this thing to give the impression that there is a hole there. You can see now that for this circle you can draw some eyes and have a small cute cartoon. And this can be also count as doodles, so you practice your fundamentals, but you're also drawing a weird cat, which is wonderful. We have ADHD and we get bored a lot, so we need to keep ourselves interested in this subject. You need also to practice your shapes, so you can draw triangles. And also you can draw cubes. Very important, practice your cubes. Practice your squares. I always recommend to do the imaginary lines inside just to make your eye forced to see in 3D shapes. So that's quite important. And look, if you think about it, this is nothing so hard. But look, you draw one ellipse, two circles, and now you have a cute girl with glasses in a random corner of the page. So practicing your fundamentals can also be very, very fun. I like to do it also before sleep. I realize that it actually helps me fall asleep faster because somehow it slows down my mental activity. So just take any piece of paper. Don't stress yourself with sketchbooks. I know how this can affect us and can make us not want to do that and not want to practice, but take any piece of paper and just draw. Look here, for example, you draw the triangle and now just add some random lines in the triangles, and in this way you practice your triangles and now you're also drawing some random lines. You don't have to make like a full page of just lines because that sounds so boring. Actually, I get bored only thinking about it, but if you do it like this, it's a little more interactive. I also like to draw different shapes on my cubes. I don't know why, but it's very, very fun for me. And it makes less boring of a page. So you just have to let your imagination wild. Don't think about perfectionism. Don't think about how cute it is. If it's cute, if it's not, you don't even have to show it to anyone. You can just do this for your own entertainment, on your commute, in your lunch break. And this will help a lot improve your art in the future. But yeah, it's important to have fun. For us, if we don't have fun with things, we won't do it. And I know how much can actually hurt us when we want to do something but we cannot start because we are so stressed about perfectionism. But look here, with additional circles we can make a teddy bear or a cat or whatever we want, just with shapes. They're not final drawing. In this situation of practicing, you don't need to stress about, I don't know, composition, about texture, about anything. Draw, and if you feel like it, just take a black pen and make some shapes like I do here. I like to do this, as I told you, make it holes, and I love this type of hole to see. For me, it's very interactive to draw them and to see them. And you can just do this. Of course, if you have additional time, you can color it. You can also draw, for example, circles between the lines or ellipses between the lines. It's very, very important to practice these things, but it's also very important for you to enjoy it. If we hate it, we will not do it. Due to my ADHD, I've been actually postponing this for years, and I think my drawing skills would have been so much better if I would have practiced my fundamentals, because if I would have started earlier, maybe I would have improved more and see how much I love to do it. If you want a more detailed video, please let me know in the comment section. If not, I'm still waiting for your proposals with my cute series. So please don't forget to write me if you want some specific drawing for cute food. Don't forget to have fun, enjoy your fundamentals. Maybe you will get to love it as much as I am, and this would work wonderful for you. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me today. And don't forget that for us, it's very important to take our breaks and enjoy our activities. So have a wonderful time. Bye.